Everybody right here in South Louisiana knows where we at in Hammond, Louisiana, Ponchatoula. But right up the road, we got a little town called Independence, and it's a bunch of Italian people. This is what they're famous for up there, this cheesy tortellini. But today, I know I can't say it right, but we're gonna do it Cajun style. All right, y'all ready? This is gonna be fast and easy. That's the way I like it. Pretty simple, you know. A lot of this stuff we do like this because we get hungry. Come watch this, y'all. All right, we're gonna dump this down. Oh yeah, we almost there, y'all. Throw that away. Get my little spatulas out. Y'all watch this. Put them all down. Make sure they're all touching. You gotta make them, put them in a little circle. And most people don't know what the circle does, but I'm gonna tell you in just a second. As soon as I put this Blackstone water on here. Watch this. Hear that sizzling? It's steaming. Now this is what the circle's for. That went over pretty good. So we're gonna grab some of this and put it on there. This is all kind of new to me. My mama used to make a lot of spaghetti. There's 5 of us kids, so we done lots and lots and lots of spaghetti. Deer spaghetti. I didn't put no oil on because it's got a lot of oil in it. It's gonna cook down. You can use any kind of meat you want, basically, but this is like a spicy salami. We're gonna squirt a little more water on here. Oh, I can smell it, y'all. It's getting good. Y'all, when I was a kid, my great-grandmother, her last name was Piccola, so she was full-blooded Italian. She spoke Italian. That was my Grandpa Mitchell's mother, and but she was originally a Piccola, and that's full-blooded Italian. She used to cook all kind of good stuff, all kinds, and that's a good thing about Louisiana cooking. It's agriculture. It's just everything. Everybody comes down here, mixes together, mixes their spices, and that's why our food's so good down here. Ooh, I add a little water first. Let it start steaming up, so make sure I get water on all the sides. We're gonna flip them around a little bit. Oh yeah. I'm gonna put the dome on here. Give them a few more minutes. Might give it one little more squirt under there. There we go. That's just enough. Gonna mix this up a little bit. See the oil's coming out in this. What it's doing is heating up. The oil's coming out. All the good seasoning's coming out in it. And we ain't gonna throw that away. We're gonna mix that all together in just a little bit. Thing of roll follow, y'all line up. All right, y'all, we done with this. Come on over here. Notice I'm gonna try to leave some of that oil. We're gonna start mixing this all in like this. This is all good. This smells super good. We're fixing to add some more goodies. Here we go. All right, we're gonna do this. This is the pesto. Watch this. Put it all over it. Now we're gonna add some Parmesan cheese. A little more. All right, y'all. A little more. Make it extra creamy. Y'all watch this. Half and half. Ooh, I love this. Okay, we're gonna dump a little right now until it hits the bottom. As soon as I hear it steaming. Okay, y'all hear that? We're gonna flip it. Get this cheese mixing in here and stirring up. All right, y'all. See if we can add a little seasoning here. See what we got here. Ooh, this is good stuff. This is that Parmesan ranch. I like a lot of this. All right, we ain't through yet now. Yep, you know I had to get this. This is Cajun blend. Hey, let me mix it one more time, y'all. Look at there. All of it's mixing together good. Look at that. Is that pretty or what, y'all? Now what I'm gonna do, I done had this burner off down here a little while. We're gonna slide it all right there. We're gonna grab our bowl. That bowl right there. And we're gonna try for the best. Look at there. Boy, that cheese is good. Y'all, that looking good or what? Ooh. All right, y'all. Last thing we're gonna do, we're gonna add a little bit of this parsley and some lemon juice. Watch this, y'all. Gonna cut it up in little bit pieces. I mean, this thing is looking kind of fancy, you know, a little more fancier than I'm used to. Just a little bit of this on top. Oh yeah, that's pretty. Ain't that pretty? We're gonna cut this lemon in half. Then we're gonna squeeze some lemon juice on top of here. I know this looks a little fancy for my cooking, but hey, it's looking good. All this cheese, spicy salami just goes all through the tortellini, whatever you want to call them. But I tell you what, it sure makes it good. I mean, the best thing about it, y'all seen how long it takes. It takes just a minute. Best thing, everything was already cooked, really. And we just put it together and stirred it around. Got you a good meal on the Blackstone.